they made the whole solar system, in my view. Here's one of the damn objects, which I have found them in a lot of pictures that I have been showing. Somehow this guy doesn't make the connection there. So this is not the only one. Then you see all these objects right there. And you can see these objects in the original picture. Here's the link to the NASA raw image. The link is in the blue letters. You can go to MARSANOMALYRESEARCH.com. In the master list you can find all of this. That's the picture I sent him to begin with, to tell him that these objects were in SOHO, they were on the moon, they were there everywhere. And that's what Dr. Berggren called electromagnetic vehicles. There's one that looked like a freaking straw. Sorry, because the red color on this camera doesn't show. Okay, there is one right there. You see, it looks like a spaghetti or a straw twisted. Go to the site cyclops.org, which is the site that processes the Cassini images. Of course, they only place the ones that do not show much, but you still, if you are a good Photoshop, you could easily return the image to the original state and see everything. Look how many of them. There's thousands of those vehicles. I mean, I would say millions of them. They're all over the place, including Earth. Say there is a place in Utah where they dig out dirt, they bring it to the rings of Saturn, bake them with sunlight and cosmic rays, and then bring it back to create life and blah blah blah. I don't know about that, but the shit is deeper and more complex than we can ever imagine. Now, the reptilian presence, I don't know what they have to do with these people, but they have to be connected too. They gotta be. Let's see the master list again. Let's see another Enceladus. Color of the world, everything, some shit like that. I see that he's more interested in the moon and Mars. He barely touches other planets and the sun. You don't want nothing to do with the sun. You don't want to mess with that. I don't know why. And here it is. There's the same object but different. You see how many thousands of dots? Those are all crafts. And he keep thinking those are bio-life. No bio-shit. To me, those are all mechanical things. Yeah, this is Enceladus. You can see, and that's the raw image link to those pictures, to those images. And you can see the objects. The same exact object that I just started out with, that you see in Lasco, C2, C3, and in my camera. There's the objects. Look how weird these things are. Not only weird, but they're huge. They all have the same characteristics. And look at the things around them, the geometric thing. To me, that has something to do with space itself. Look at the object, it's stuck in the Enceladus ground right there. See it right there? They're doing something to that moon. That moon is very special for them. Look at the structure, how big these things are. They interlock each other like a Lego thing. You can find all of this in this link, the blue link that it shows there. Excellent site. I work sometimes, I send them images and stuff, but this man is narrow-minded. For some reason, he only sees what he wants to see. He still believes NASA data, and the data that NASA pulls out is garbage. The good data, they keep it, and they put some crap outside to the other people, and the scientists believe that crap too.